ma congolais.
Ale kwanza bulu. Wekewa mukusa. Evoka. Tute.
Question moko.
Yo. Basilo.
Bakri oya yebana nango na grand boule. Eza yete muto akomaki yango.
Bienvenue, bonsoir, bonjour, beauté malamour, and welcome back to la liste top 5. Guys, si vous voyez back at this 1 year anniversary. I am your favorite présentatrice, Sylvia K. I am joined with amazing people today. Guys, clap your hands for yourselves. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Lelo
is at a show because we're going to be talking about something that is very important. David, des fois tu écoutes les musiques, tu crois, oh ouais, ça c'était Wera, oh non, ça c'était Kofi, mais en vérité, c'était la ATALAKU. Et Lelo, toko beta maboko pona baba ATALAKU, we're going to give them the praise that they deserve because they shape the culture.
Yes.
Samba ATALAKU, to éviter. Alors, guys, are you not ready?
Yes.
Everyone ready?
Yes.
Okay, I already know, you guys know how the game goes, okay? We're gonna have segments, which in that time, you guys get to make bonus points, okay? We also, on top of the bonus points, you guys have to try and match up your list against mine. Obviously, na ebi déjà bien obligé ngaba liste right there. Toujours, comme toujours, mais I'm sure que je vais vous choquer ce soir. Alors, without no further ado, you guys have 2 minutes on the clock to deliberate. Go ahead.
Alpatino, and Bercy Moana.
If needed, Eric Masudi and
Hold on. Yeah, I got a bit. What? So we're not gonna say CELEO SCRAM? I got it. Yeah, I'll back it.
I want to back. No, ATALAKU.
we have to do the order though.
Orders. No,
No, I'll get there. No, ATALAKU. Okay, I'll do no ATALAKU and Brigade. No, ATALAKU and
Yeah, but we don't have to
but
order.
the order, that's what I'm
Okay.
you first one who's like
Who's number 1?
Who was number 1?
I mean,
Eight,
who's number 1? Big.
seven,
Okay, you back the big.
6,
That's
five,
number 1 matters.
4,
Number 2, number 1.
3,
say
2,
the
1. Merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup. Okay.
I'll do that.
Hey.
Nous sommes prêts.
Ils sont prêts.
Guys, before we move on to our next segment, make sure you are liking, commenting, and subscribing. We need it, we need it, we need it. Let us know what your top 10 is, what your top 10 ATALAKUs. Let us know whether we got it right, whether we got it wrong. Whoever has it here, boyoka. Let's see who's who. Bon. Segment 1. Guys, are you ready? Okay, this is how it's gonna go. Le premier groupe qui me donne la bonne réponse gets the point. Okay?
Okay.
Alors, who done the first cri?
No, ATALAKU. And
Say it.
81.
Can I
Sorry.
can I finish?
Oh, sorry. I thought you first.
Okay. So we were then Mr. Context and being so.
Mama Eli. Mama Eli. He's back.
Context then, Billy.
Hey, come on, God.
Okay. Listen.
Sorry.
T'inquiète pas, ma chérie, t'inquiète pas. Bon. Who done the first cri? I'm gonna name the cri and then you guys give me the answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. Domolo. Well done. Well done.
Yes. C'est sympa.
Vitesse.
Oui, voilà, Luca.
Vous êtes prêts? Le deuxième. Kila Makoso.
Biscuit des écoles.
Yes!
My guy. My guy.
Mais
Come on. Yes. Come on.
Non, bah oui.
Atangelo kanda. Atangelo kanda.
le numéro 3. Kiwanzenza.
Gimole.
Yeah, she got that.
Ayoki, she said no.
Emene. When I lay son.
Bon,
Donne
le
les seuls.
dernier.
Ok.
Vous êtes prêts?
Yeah.
Lopele.
Merci, c'était ma faute.
J'entends Missine.
No, but she didn't.
No, you didn't let land.
She didn't pronounce it.
You didn't let land.
So you got for
Chantam
Attends, Zélandon.
Elle a pas dit j'entends missing.
No, but you didn't let land.
J'ai missing.
Okay, c'est quoi?
Azi.
If that's the case, ça veut dire on an everyday basis, I should lose. Because everyone knows my pronunciation of maths.
Everyone knows that.
So, exactly. So, pour la personne qui n'a pas point d'ailleurs.
Come on, yeah.
Point d'ailleurs.
Mabo.
Oh, sister. Okay, no problem. Well done to you guys. You guys won that segment, so already you're ahead.
Voilà,
Guys,
voilà.
we got another segment. Alors, vous n'inquiétez pas. You guys can still win the game. Okay? Bon.
So from number 10,
Yeah.
we're starting with Bercy Moana, parce que Bercy Moana avait pas à Wenge, Wera, héritier, et puis Wazé quoi aussi. Yeah, so he paved the way for his generation. He's done what he's done for his
Yeah,
generation.
pas faire
Yeah, so they did that. So yeah, I feel like Bercy, he didn't make the cut, but he made it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number 9.
Al Pacino, personal.
Yeah,
Personal. Al Pacino, there's no questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Boyo Kafulang, c'est tout.
Ouais, c'est ça.
That's it. Fulang.
L'histoire aussi, pour l'histoire, c'était Al Pacino.
Cool histoire, yeah.
Après ça, c'est Guy Molière.
Mhm.
Abin Sabisoki.
He never recorded that track. That's a fun fact.
Never recorded?
He never recorded it. He wasn't the two different tracks.
Number 7, c'est mon vieux, mon premier Tuk Kaluji. Paved the way for a lot of ATALAKU. I know he would have been a bit higher, mais il faut comprendre, on va comprendre. Numéro 6, Kabuya. Parce que Azam grand, hein. Photo de Bambou.
Des photos, fala que pessoa, lá eu que os invités.
Normalement,
mais comme sur Kabuya.
Normalement.
Mais Kabuya pourquoi?
Mais tout le monde est en France, au beau sens.
Kabuya, I would say Kabuya is definitely 6 because he has some really good like Macri. I think one of my personal favorite Genetrixia Fali is
Mm.
Bicarbonate. That was a good one. That was my first introduction. Yeah, Kabuya.
Nice, hard.
Okay. Cool.
Not quite top 5 me as I'm like.
No probs. Guys, go ahead.
Our number 10 is Kabuya. Because obviously he done Kokoso, Bicarbonate. It was part of Live About Cause.
Come on.
Alo Telephone as well. And Kabuya, he's like a rebel, isn't it? So his style was like, it wasn't heard before. And after Kabuya, there's a lot of Talagos that come off him. Obviously he's in Paris right now. Shout out to Kabuya.
Come on.
Yeah, but number 9 is Juna Bafu.
Juna Mumbafu. Pourquoi Juna Mumbafu? Oui. C'était ma pépé calé à Bénis Afrique et mon bimba.
Yeah.
Ça, net Bill Clinton, mes premières versions Bill Clinton, c'est-à-dire Showman. Merci, monsieur. On a créé ça.
Big God, yeah. Big God, obviously, he done Gacha Latte, then he came to Wenge. Obviously, Gacha Latte, that's a luxury brand. So, when Big God came to Wenge, he bought the Gacha Latte style. Gacha Latte is doucement. Yeah, coffee is very relaxed, chill. But Wenge is Grimace. So, Billy Clinton came with Grimace and doucement and S.O.N. And that was an album, that was an EP. And
Eric Massoud.
Eric Massoudi, est-ce que Naza besoin de Loba?
Loba, non, papa, Loba.
Yeah.
Le système. Chakri Bodas, ce mec il est arrivé avec Guy Moller. C'est vrai qu'on peut mettre les deux ensemble en vrai de vrai. Et de longues histoires. Bah, que c'était tout Nassima. Bah, avec écrit.
C'est ça.
C'est vrai, c'est vrai.
Parfois ça là.
Non, c'est
And then
vrai.
after that, we got Nana Atalaku. He's the GOAT. He started this. He was part of Zaiko.
Yeah.
You get me? Nana Atalaku, Abwakaba, Tala Mabina, Bokanabiso. Hey, Mabina. You get me? Like Zaiko, you know what I'm saying? We already know. And plus, Nono was the first Atalaku to perform live on TV in 1981. Tele Zaire. Abaka Atalaku mama. Funky. That's what Nono Atalaku in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? He's iconic.
Nah,
He has
it's real. It has to be in there. It has
You know what I'm
to be.
saying?
Bon. Number 10, I'm going to quickly go through mine. Number 10 will be for Nono. Yeah. Number 9, Jean Tamissine, merci beaucoup. Simply because he made Lopele and that is a banger. Number 8 will be Mboshi. 7 will be Juna. And number 6 will be Brigade.
C'est bien, c'est
Okay?
bien.
T, dans T, ne c'est plus T.
Non, ouais,
Six.
on a eu.
Non, c'est plus T, c'est mais oui. Brigade.
Attends.
Where was yours?
Muy bamo.
Brigade.
Number 6.
Yeah, number 6 story got the hare and the tortoise.
Ah bon.
No, being on the hand, I told her. See?
Yo.
Ouais, because I had Voilà, merci. C'est le.
Frakata.
Yeah, number 6.
Zéla.
On arrive.
And obviously, it's because he's most famous in Quartier Latin. Already Dingo Lobby déjà, but he's number 6 because there's the 5 more on top that deserve the spot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Merci.
Carton jaune.
Bon, carte jaune.
Voilà.
Est-ce que c'est carton jaune?
Carton jaune. Sister World Cup, Penzako. Congo. Puna Kwanga.
Mais tu as ta demi-finale.
Non.
Somalia en Kwanga, tu as ta demi-finale
Mal.
contre France.
T'as le Maroc, c'est quoi? T'as le Maroc.
On appelle l'isola Jacob Naïsaou.
C'est comme raisonné. Zaka Sabiso.
Ah oui.
Ah non.
Petit loupé.
On peut savoir mon passage.
Eh oui.
Pona Kwanga. Batu msusu bazolia couscous na batajine biso nde Kwanga na makabu before a match. Mais ça fait, yeah. Listen, the next segment, you guys have the chance to do this. I believe in you. Okay? Vous avez la chance. You could win the whole game if you guys get this.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna need you guys to name all the Atalakus that either came from and are still in Quartier Latin.
Hey.
Or came from.
Or came from.
Okay. All of them, as much as you can name.
Okay.
Okay? Everyone got that?
Yeah.
All right.
No.
Now I'm gonna need you guys to pick a number
Yeah.
between 1 and 50.
4.
4.
We can name 5.
5.
Can you do 6 now?
Oh, so we have to do 6 now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you name
Yeah.
4. Name 4.
Name 4.
Name 4.
Yeah.
Ocean,
CNN, Océan,
Ocean,
Brigade.
Who else?
Somono.
Yes, Mono.
Il y a qui encore?
Someone was that. No.
Damn.
No problem.
Oh non, attends.
You said 4. I already did let you guys name more than that.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
No, they can't name the ones that you guys got.
Oh,
Go on.
well, we can't name the ones that you've put.
No.
Ok.
I've got Katilates first. Atalaku.
My God.
Jean-Louis Manzungeli.
Tuzana nani, tuzana Trésor Nzinga. Tuzana Kérosène.
Kerosene, yeah, baby kill.
Tuzana nani lisusu, twana Bivance Rapa.
Yeah.
Tuzana nani lisusu, twana Mukusamboa.
Yeah.
Tuzana.
Dona Muchiliba, oh, waka Muchiliba. Metal Muchiliba.
Okay.
That's his name, Metal Muchiliba.
We don't know that.
No, his name is Metal Muchiliba.
You guys have given
No, his name. Look on YouTube, Metal Muchiliba. Welcome Muchiliba.
Alors, please.
So, because of that,
2 more.
I'm gonna give you guys a bonus question.
Okay.
This bonus question, the first team to get it right. They already said CNN.
No, this is
The
it.
first team to get it right gets a bonus of 3 points.
Okay.
You guys ready?
Okay.
Okay, boom. I need you guys to name me the first Atalaku for Wenge Mezomer.
Bueno, hold up, Kota.
No.
No, CELEO. No, Billy Clinton.
Hold on. The first
CELEO was before Blue. CELEO was before Blue. CELEO.
for one
CELEO.
No. If it's Kate,
No,
That's not what I said.
Mesomer, CELEO.
So well done.
CELEO SCRAM, yes.
Now it was big though.
No, that's
Well done.
came after. He came
Well
after.
done.
So, man.
You guys got it. Well done.
We've
You
won.
guys redeemed yourself. Quick 4 points. Just comme ça.
Ah, eu caiu. Bom caiu. É.
Okay. Guys, I need your top 5 now.
Top 5.
For number 5, we have my personal favourite, Mboshi Pasa. He actually did Olympia by himself. Can we just give him a round of applause?
Nah, come on, yeah. Wiki, yeah.
Go back and watch Olympia 98 and you'll understand what they did this year.
Yes.
Cool. Number 4 is Kaluji.
To
The
Kaluji.
reason I'm saying Kaluji because Kaluji came with the melodic clay. Before that, he had but clear Zaki anime, so people were chanting. When Kaluji came, he came with the melodic thing. He was singing. He was emotional. You get it? Like Kaluji came with a new style in Congolese music that wasn't done before. But it came from Big Kitan, but that's another conversation. But anyways, number 3, CELEO.
CELEO SCRAM.
Hey, let's cut off you. No going to the nursery rhyme.
Yeah.
It came.
No way.
No, Koyimiko came out in the 70s, bro. It's a song that my mom grew up on.
Mais ça, c'est
It's a nursery rhyme, yeah.
That's
Koyimiko's a
bad.
nursery rhyme. CELEO brought it back and made it popular, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they made it dance about it, yeah.
Yeah.
Got you.
Troisième position là.
En ligne 11.
Yeah. Dans la troisième position, tu as CELEO SCRAM, on a créé Belé, and he's done like, I think some people's success was him. Yeah.
And he had Kisanola.
Yeah, Talabote, Kisanola, even
Sukani.
Alert, Sele, Mama, Sele. That one there, he carried Alert.
He's got shaking the nyash and that.
That one there is automatic, yeah.
Which position did you put CELEO?
Free.
Number 2, CNN.
CNN.
Donika.
The thing is with CNN,
Donika.
Omoni,
Yes.
tango bamboshi bake.
Yeah.
Parce que mon wake.
Yes.
Yeah.
Fallait qu'on remonte orchestre.
Bien.
T'as la charge, t'as le niveau.
Asala, t'as pas aimé quoi?
Attends, Yemoko, fungo la merci.
Yemoko.
It's my personal favorite. But, quand on a premier te, faut pétoloba, na sens nanga, Bakri oya yebana nango na grand boule. Eza yete muto akomaki yango. Bakoko wele yete par exemple.
They had ghostwriters.
C'est ça.
Yeah, but they had ghostwriters.
Bandombo eza ya yete. Ngo bien mais
La façon dont elle est.
donc par conclusion à mon humble avis c'est qui pas là.
But when I got to this stone, wait, cause. This stone,
Number one is a saying everyone knows. It's all about calcul mental. It's a saying di bende kulumbimbi mkolo tre. Yeah. Basala kaliko panando kiti.
So many tutu kaluji, only Bill Clinton. They came from the same end. I'm saying like, Titanic and it was so happy.
It's the same thing.
The musically is the same thing because Bill Clinton hope sa tutu kaluji, but everyone knows that it's known.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying? So if you see tutu kaluji, it's Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton like petit na ye pire. But with S.O.N is smart, so he signed. When Tutu Kaluji was popping, S.O.N went and he got Big Clinton. But Big Clinton's the reason why we got Kubete Kale.
Yeah.
Because film number low, Kubete Kale. Big Clinton is so popular. So the funny one.
Yes.
No, mais oui, Bill Clinton, I completely agree.
You can't argue Big Clinton.
Yeah.
It was so evident it's Bill Clinton.
Nah, Bill Clinton. Him that tika animation à défaut.
Number 5, Tokyo West.
Alright, cool. Well, I don't know why we put number 5. This is my personal favorite. We're going back to my personal CNN. The same way, CNN.
And number 5.
I'm upset as well. I'm upset as well. Evidently. What people? I'm annoyed. But wait.
Ça n'engage personne. Ça n'engage que nous.
La grande boule en arrive.
Ça n'engage personne. Ça n'engage que nous.
Voilà formation là par où.
Bon, CNN again 5.
Mais
c'est pas grave. Yeah, there was a bit of time to Bon, CNN of course top 5 because again, like you guys said, he done a tonta by himself. That to be an ATALAKU to come in, especially for Kofi, who's got that reputation already, for you to come in and now
He never had a reputation before that.
Who?
Kofi.
Fair enough. Which is true.
For 7. Kofi was not
For 7, yeah, it was never anything, but 7.
Yeah.
CNN came and he said, nah, I got you.
Exactly.
I'm at it. Not only with Atanta, with
Foster
Flap as well. Do you get me? So he's his voice is nice. Like he sings. You know? He's not like he's not doing that. He's doing Domole, Domola, Domolo.
I love that.
Everyone loves it. But do you know what it is? For me, personally, no, number 1, exactly. But for me, I can't like, why am I annoyed? Why am I annoyed? Listen, do you know what it is?
What's number 4?
Number 4, we put CELEO SCRAM. CELEO again. What I like about him, what you guys didn't touch upon, I think he's one of the first ATALAKUs I've seen that's from the ends. If you see the way he dresses, he's like rolled. Do you get me? You know, he's one of them. He's a rapper.
Yeah.
Like even the way he stands, you see him tie bass. Do you get me? That's what I like about him. He shows the streetness.
He's done out here, man.
Do you know what? CELEO musically, no, okay, he's done out here. Musically, CELEO is a legend.
Yeah.
CELEO has carried so much, but his mouth has ruined his career.
Yeah.
That's one thing. That's why we put him a little bit for ayebaki, moi discernement na munoko ayebaki te donc.
Okay.
Yeah. Evoca. Tutte.
CELEO as well. CELEO.
Yeah.
Ale kwanza buno.
Make wa mukusa.
Yeah.
Toleka.
So number 3 we put Brigade.
Yeah.
You guys want to touch upon Brigade?
Brigade Sabati, let's be honest, aboka na efa quartier latin, aboka pe na wenge.
Sometimes you're doing 1 and 2.
Yeah, let's be and plus everywhere he went, success.
I remember when Brigade done a test with Wera, and he done it against one of Wera's old animators. Everyone was screaming for Brigade. So already Brigade came with the success déjà. When he came through, everyone knew. And he's a good looking guy as well. He had the dreads, clean, like he used to dress like he was like calm. He had that Jamaican American. Yeah man. Number 2 we put Mboshi.
Yeah. Mon vieux, Moshi. I've seen him live, so.
You know what?
I saw Moshi last year. I think, it was last year. I saw Moshi last year, and he still sounds how he sounded when I was in a Naki.
He's still got the voice.
Like,
He smokes my cigarette,
yeah,
but he's got the
he does his thing, but he still sounds the same. His voice is crisp. Moshi, Mbote Bimi, Elobaho Papi Mbote Bimi is no.
I don't you know, no papi mama.
I do.
And then number 1 we put arrêtez de musique. Arrêtez.
Achetez-moi. Dès qu'on a fait ça avec cette vous me valez.
Big Clinton, everyone knows legend. Like,
Yeah, iconic.
He came with his own swagger. He came with the voice. Like everyone knows Atalakus are known for. Like obviously, he came from him.
You need to remember, like you guys said, Tutu Kaluji, obviously, Bill Clinton was behind the scenes. But at the same time as well, we got the Bercy Moinas because of the style of Clinton.
Bill Clinton, yeah.
And I always think also Bill Clinton and CELEO, that duo as well was just
Yeah, it was iconic.
that also paved the way for there to be a Bercy Moina and Kunzao.
Yeah.
Even if you look at DJ Arafat.
DJ Arafat, yeah, Bill Clinton.
Performed at his funeral.
Yeah.
If you got DJ Arafat.
Kulumbi.
I like that. You see, especially when you said Bill Clinton, and I think they were like the first Atalaku.
Boshi and someone.
No, I'm talking about no. I'm not talking about Zelana. I'm not talking about. I'm not.
Moi différence moi exact, on comprend.
Yeah.
Bill Clinton, CELEO, Baobwaka, they're different voices, man.
It's Obalana.
It's salinity. When I heard Bercy and Kunzado together, I was like, this is Bill Clinton and
CELEO.
Mate, even in what's that song? Solula bien. Din din din. Well, tunda begi na down the wound and mushane wunji wando.
Yeah.
What's the new guys that they want to la shiro na I that the gates are better. My goodness, and then CELEO. You see that there? Voila! That was the duo! Shut down! And you know what it is? Okay. Now, you know what it is? Let me say something. What I liked about Bill Clinton and CELEO, the dance choreography they used to do together. Like, they used to face each other like this. Grits, and then flips, back flips.
But no matter the thing is, at the time they were different.
Yeah, they
When they came to Mr. Pimpa, Bill Clinton went to Senegal and I'm working a Wolof.
Yeah,
I'm working a Wolof. In Senegal, I'm working a Wolof.
That's what it is.
Mr. Pimpa, so you okay?
But I can't lie. Mr. Pimpa, that sort of picture, I can't lie. They
Yeah, bro, I saw that.
No, but
even if but they came together. That's why Bill Clinton.
La flame capoeira. Oh my God, nah.
All I'm gonna say is this,
He's the one.
All I'm gonna say is this. Bota ma Congolese.
Okay, La
Do you know what?
congolisation.
Let me just take a time out here. Nayem Sabino, pourquoi ils ont la langue congolais? D'abord, des intérêts de parler la biso.
Come on. Pastor Tokos. Soba Molokai.
Charisme. We don't need to do too much. We just say nice.
Toujours.
Biso bien soin. Charisme déjà, sans parler.
Obligé. But-
Already now come with the energy. Boyo kanenge to expliquer ba Atalaku. They shaped the culture, je vous dis toujours. La liste top 5, tout qui est congolais, ça vit ici.
Si.
Déjà, je veux dire, avant, dans Tikaka Kolobango, everything that is Congolese culture, ça vit ici sur la liste top 5. Merci beaucoup, Bino Nyoso. Au festival liste na biso.
question moko.
Laquelle?
Te, kaka na makambo oloba siko elengi oyo ezvandi epa biso bacongolais siko tozwango na Haïti.
Obati ba jeton.
Te, est-ce que tozwango
Kana Congo. Kana Congo.
Olobi eloko ya bien penza. Olobi, est-ce qu'on peut le voir en Haïti?
Non.
Je vous dis que, en vérité, non. Mais, le son de Haïti, ça vient d'où?
Congo.
Le son de Colombia, ça vient d'où?
Congo.
When you hit Latin music, ça vient d'où?
Congo.
Ah, voilà.
C'est ça, ah, mais oui.
Alors, fin des faits, Congo.
La Congo.
Pays moteur.
C'est la base.
Live band pop, man.
Everything about us is great. But ma Congolais yo kaka elengi. Bon, numéro 5 nara is la CELEO SCRAM.
Ok.
Is a reliable animateur. Tu l'as vu déjà. Numéro 4, you guys put him far. You can go selling a more. Ouf. Like you guys said it. Hey, selling a more passing. Mais El Pacino.
Al Pacino, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we did talk about this.
He was part of your list. He was part of your list.
We forgot.
Al Pacino was
No, Al Pacino, yeah.
He was
Yeah, Al
definitely.
Pacino.
I mean, the list
Yo.
was wrong.
Basido.
The list
Ah, we did it. Yo. Basido. Aye. Genge.
And then also, my number 3, it was Tutu Kaluji. Simply because for me, il a créé Dombolo. So that alone, and Dombolo, like when I think of Dombolo, I think of me, Naya, Nanga, Akomaki, Atiki Congo, aïe en Angleterre, hein, Nazaraki, moi, 4 ans, 3 ans, à Thier Vidéo, allez, réputation. Naya, Nanga, Nan Domboloka.
We all had the same childhood.
We had the same childhood indeed. Honestly, I was so great. Looking back, I'm grateful for it because, again, like all of that, it shaped me to be who I am today. It shaped what I love about music, what I love about Congolese music as well. Numéro 2 is Akaka, CNN. Listen, he was the first to play at Bercy. The first one to play at Bercy.
Avec Océan,
Kofi came from the sky.
Yeah.
What, at Bercy?
Yeah, I would have a part of
Oh God, that colourful.
Ouais, red and blue.
Kofi.
Kolalou Pemba, il est là ce soir. Kofi Olomide, Kolalou Pemba, on lève les mains, tout le monde, on lève les mains, on lève les mains, oui là-haut, on lève les mains, pour accueillir le grand Mopao, Kofi Olomide. Merci à tous d'être là ce soir. Merci à monsieur Gérard Lebrun d'être là ce soir. Kofi!
Bonsoir à tous.
Kofi! Kofi Olomide!
Je m'appelle le Grand Mopao.
Kofi Olomide! Kofi Olomide! Monsieur Olomide, sous vos applaudissements, tout le monde! On applaudit très très fort! Kofi Olomide! Olomide! Woo! Kofi Olomide!
Ima ima uma, ima ima uma, ima ima uma, ima ima uma. Fote, ma una cantante.
Kofi,
Mais je moi mon pauvre.
He was gassed, I don't care.
He was gassed. My man came from the sky.
No, honestly, Kofi is a legend himself.
God,
but one day
mine.
we'll talk about Kofi in his fullness.
Yes.
Number one, we all agree.
We all agree.
We all agree. Kozaka, Big
Bill Clinton, Macintosh, Kulumbimbi, Kulumbimbi, Senga Kubende, Pine à train, Macintosh. Macintosh! Follow bien. Bill Clinton, Kaluji. Yeah, trésor national, mutatika animation à défaut. Donc, la Coupe du Monde d'Afrique, yem tapin sa stade.
C'est ça.
Yeah, he came out with that animation. Donc, sans Bill Clinton, we wouldn't have that teacher. We wouldn't have.
Les marquis.
Yeah.
Même après, à ça, il va générer qu'à deux fois. Il va mettre sa
Si
pression.
bah, il va mettre musique.
Mais bon, yeah, il était il est là, et là. Nah, go ticket.
He is definitely number one. Kokotika number one. Guys at home, boy, Sabiso top 5 na. Let us know who your top 5 is. Let us know if we got it wrong. Let us know maybe more facts. But then they come Mr. Rarity or Pesa Biso by context. If you have more context, Pesa Biso, let us know in the comments. Of course, we have been La Liste Top 5. Guys, thank you so much.
Come on.
Thank you so much. You guys have
My
You guys came with the fun.
Yeah, let's tell them because life so late.
Love it.
You went and said the winner.
Pardon me?
You said the winner.
Équipe cité.
Don't worry about the winner. You guys will find out the winner when you watch
Mais
it.
ceux qui ont CNN, Bill Clinton, top 2, c'est bon déjà.
C'est bon déjà.
C'est bon déjà.
Juste venir sur ton gagner. I have been your presenter, Sylvia K. À la prochaine.
Toko.
Okay, thank you guys so much.
Energy.